The winter storm warning is in effect starting at 7 a.m. Saturday in New Hampshire. A winter storm with expected heavy snowfall will arrive in New Hampshire on Saturday. The National Weather Service has also issued a blizzard warning for the seacoast region. The snow map above, updated Friday at 7 a.m., shows a foot of snow possible for much of the Granite State, and potential snowfall of up to 18 inches in some areas. The greatest impacts will be Saturday afternoon and evening, and snowfall rates of 1–3 inches per hour are possible, according to the Weather Service. Wind gusts of up to 55 miles per hour are possible in southern New Hampshire and along the coast.